Where is the lift?
We don't have a lift in the building.
Where can I use a telephone?
We have telephone facility this way.
बाबूजी मुझे कॉल करना है तो मैं 2 मिनट में आता हूँ।
हम यहीं रुकते हैं।
जी आप यहीं रुकिए। Where is the elderly gentleman who came with me?
He just went up.
Went up?
Yes.
Alone?
Yeah.
अरे बाबूजी आप यहाँ?
भाई पार्थ सारथी, ये दफ्तर कहाँ है?
बाबूजी ये तो 5th फ्लोर है, दफ्तर तो 4th फ्लोर पर रह गया। चलिए चलें। आज अगर इस बिल्डिंग में 6ठा फ्लोर भी होता तो बाबूजी वहां भी पहुंच गए होते।
हम भले ही कमज़ोर हों या अनपढ़ हों, मगर ज़रूरत पड़ने पर कुछ भी कर सकते हैं।
सुरिंदर जी, बाबूजी का आगे क्या प्रोग्राम है?
बाबूजी कल जा रहे हैं सुबह 6 बजे बॉम्बे फ्लाइट से, और वहाँ पे सेठ वल्लभ दास जी के यहाँ ठहरेंगे। वो जो अपने प्रिसेप्टर इंचार्ज हैं, अपने बॉम्बे के ही हैं। और फ्राइडे को रात को 1:20 पर एयर इंडिया की फ़्लाइट से कायरो जा रहे हैं।
अच्छा।
लाइए मुझे दीजिए।
Please start meditation. Thank you, Dina. I tried to get you a basket of good Alfonso mangoes, but the airport authorities did not allow it because mango is a protected crop here.
Never mind, Babuji.
Dina, I want to make sure that I visit some of the important sites for one reason. When I shall return to India, people will ask me, where have I been? What have I seen? Whether I have seen such and such place or not. And if I tell them that I have not, They will think what a fool I am. So I want to visit some of the places.
Sure, Babuji.
Babuji, I and sister will make the necessary arrangements. Today is a rest day, but few people are coming to meet you in the evening. They are Mr. Racco, Mr. Anthony Credy, and Mr. Hussain.
Very well.
I will get something for you.
Babuji, how do you enjoy your stay here in France?
We should not enjoy, but people should enjoy us. Saints are not for enjoyment. They are the target of world sorrows.
Babuji, you being a great spiritual master, so how could you not heal yourself when you fell in the toilet of Andre's house?
Well, you have asked a very intelligent question. I am telling you, my difficulty is that I am not aware of my body. Secondly, my master used to suffer from the abscess and used to have an excruciating pain. And when he was under severe pain, he used to sing song praising God. He said, well, when I am in such a great pain, I have to groan or moan or make some noise. So instead of doing these weak things, I prefer to sing praises of the Almighty and relieve my pain. How great was my master's submission to divine will. He could have cured his pain in 1 second, but he thought that it has been given by God. And so there must be some purpose in it. Sister, can you tell me what transmission is?
I think, Master, it is the passing of the highest consciousness into the heart of the Abhyasi.
It is a good definition, but I will tell you my definition. According to me, transmission is the utilization of the divine energy for the transformation of man.
Thank you, Master. Master, what is this world?
Exaggeration of reality. Or we can say, it is a sense object. The world is a sense object.
Babuji, you came to Denmark after Egypt and France. How was your experience there?
I met a person in Nice, who went to Tibet and had an operation for opening his third eye. I admire him. He was prepared to bear all the pain for that. Look here, the Greek philosopher says, know thyself. But I say, forget thyself. What is the use of knowing myself? I already know what I am, but I have to know what I must be, what I ought to be. That is the purpose of life.
Babuji, I have been doing mantra meditation. Which is better? Mantra meditation or your method?
It all depends on your experience. If you find you are improving in your method, then continue it. If not, search for another method.
Babuji, here it is beautiful sunshine, and you've come in the spring. We can't help thinking of God.
Well, I will tell you. It is we who spoil this world by our wrong thoughts and actions. Every thought leaves its impression on the atmosphere. If anyone can read it, he can see that the thoughts are flowing in a difference. If you go to a slaughterhouse, or if you go to a church or temple, our duty is to leave the world as a better place than the way we found it when we came into it. Then we are cooperating with the nature. Now we are going against the nature. That is why there is destruction.
She faces problems in her regular work.
You keep thinking of the past all the time, and that is interfering in your work.
How to have faith or develop it in oneself?
Really speaking, faith is not necessary. What we have to do is to trust someone, and begin. And then, if you find you are progressing, faith will automatically develop. And what is conscience? Now, sister is thinking of the past again. It is really made of 4 levels: Manas, Buddhi, Chit, and Ego. When all these are balanced and merge into one original thought, that is the real conscience.
Babuji, some say that Guru is inside.
I will tell you, God is the only Guru.
Okay.
All others are working under him. Really speaking, if a man says he is a Guru, he is not speaking the truth. He is actually usurping the position of God.
Thank you.
Now, sister is again lost in her past.
Babuji, what is truth? And what is the goal of human life?
बाबूजी पूछ रहे हैं सत्य क्या है और मनुष्य के जीवन का अंतिम लक्ष्य क्या है.
I have written in my book Reality at Dawn. Have you read?
Yes.
In Reality at Dawn, I have written, the end of religion is the beginning of spirituality. The end of spirituality is the beginning of reality. The end of reality is the beginning of bliss. Bliss, you know, Anand bliss. When that too is gone, then we have reached our goal. That is the goal.
Babuji, what is moksha?
Moksha. In my same book, I have written there are 23 circles which we have to cross to reach the center, which is our goal. Center is our goal. Moksha is between second and third circle.
Okay.
My master has said mukti and moksha are two different things. Mukti is a salvation, temporary respite from the cycle of birth and death. Whereas moksha is a permanent freedom from the cycle of birth and death. It is a liberation. And it is the end of all our miseries.
That is why we do not take anything less than liberation as our goal. Although there is a lot that remains beyond.
Thank you, Babuji.
अपनी बनाई सब चीज़ों को हमें खुद ही ख़त्म करना होगा. और ये हमारी चीज़ें क्या हैं? हमारे संस्कार, जिनकी वजह से हम उलझनों में फंसे रहते हैं. और दूसरी रुकावट है हमारे दुख और परेशानियां. बजाय हम अपनी इच्छाओं को कम करने के, हम ये सोचते हैं कि हमारी इच्छाओं की पूर्ति से हमें दुखों से छुटकारा मिल जाएगा. लेकिन ये परेशानियों का सही हल नहीं है. लाला जी साहब कहते थे, रूहानियत के लिए गृहस्थ आश्रम सबसे अच्छा है, सबसे अच्छा ट्रेनिंग ग्राउंड है. वो हमें सब्र सिखाता है. सब्र बहुत ज़रूरी है रूहानियत में. तो लाला जी साहब कहते थे, गृहस्थी में हम सब्र सीखते हैं.
बाबूजी, स्पिरिचुअलिटी में आगे बढ़ने के लिए सबसे महत्वपूर्ण क्या है?
संकल्प, श्रद्धा, विश्वास. ये 3 चीज़ें रियलाइजेशन के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी हैं. रूहानी जीवन में गुरु के लिए श्रद्धा बहुत ज़रूरी है. लेकिन कुछ लोग श्रद्धा का गलत मतलब निकालते हैं. वो ये सोचते हैं कि श्रद्धा हमारी सारी दिक्कतों का हल है. हम चाहे किसी रास्ते को चुन लें, किसी गुरु को पकड़ लें. अब तुम बताओ, दिल्ली की ट्रेन में बैठकर हम कलकत्ता जा सकते हैं क्या? हैं? वैसे तो आप गुरु को किसी भी रूप में ले सकते हैं, लेकिन हमारा मानना है कि गुरु को माँ के रूप में लेना सबसे अच्छा है. अगर आप आध्यात्मिक माँ के रूप में गुरु को लेते हैं तो गुरु के लिए मोहब्बत, गुरु के लिए इज्जत और सरेंडर सब अपने आप आ जाता है.
अच्छा, तो आध्यात्मिकता में गुरु को माँ के रूप में लेना
माँ
चाहिए।
के रूप में लेना सबसे अच्छा है।
Babuji, some milk for you.
थैंक यू। जी ने हमसे पूछा, क्या तुमने भगवान विष्णु के दर्शन किए हैं? हमने कहा नहीं। तो उन्होंने कहा, जब तुमने दर्शन नहीं किए तो दूसरों को कैसे कराओगे? तुम सबको गलत रास्ते पे ले जा रहे हो। इससे हमारी हिंदू धर्म की मान्यताओं का पता चलता है।
बाबूजी, कल डेनिश रेडियो नेटवर्क वाले आपका इंटरव्यू लेना चाह रहे हैं, तो उनको हाँ कह दूं?
हाँ कह दो, मगर बात तुम्हें करनी पड़ेगी उनसे।
नहीं बाबूजी, आप बात करिएगा।
अच्छा, थोड़ा सा बोल देंगे हम, बस।
अच्छा ठीक है।
बाकी तुम्हें करनी पड़ेगी बात।
अच्छा, तो उनको हाँ बोल दूं?
हाँ ठीक है।
Babuji, a warm welcome to the Danish Radio Network. It's an honor to have you here with us today. With your permission, I'd like to begin the interview. What is the purpose of human being, of human existence?
The only purpose is realization. To know our own nature, which is divine.
What my master is saying, the purpose of human life is to realize the divine nature of man. And by his teachings, it is possible to realize it in this life.
But to realize God, or the divine nature, is that to be God?
Nobody can be God. There is only one God, and nobody can be God other than him. But we can be God-like.
What are we supposed to do?
The basic thing is that mind is like a vehicle to develop ourselves. It is also an instrument of degeneration or fall. According to our system of Raj Yoga, called Sahaj Marg, my master says the only way to do it is to direct it in a new direction, to orient it towards its proper goal, that is, divinization of man.
Babuji, can you tell us something about transmission?
Transmission is something that is unique to our system. My master defines transmission as the utilization of divine power or energy for the transformation of human being. This was made possible by his own master, who discovered that a human can transmit if he has contact with the ultimate source of energy. And my master does the same.
How these transmissions work on you? Can you explain it a little?
It brings out the divine energy into you. When divine energy of this nature is brought into you, it functions.
But how does it work on you?
You mean myself?
Yes.
Well, in myself, it brings me to the balanced state of mind. Unbalanced character is lost. These are the effects of transmission.
Can you feel it?
Yes. If we are sensitive, we can feel it. And suppose even if you do not feel it, the changes which will occur will convince you of the effect of the transmission.
Yes, I understand. Now, may I ask you another question? It may be a silly question, but can you explain how you are?
I am what I ought to be.
But I am what I am. How is it different?
This is a good question. We all are what we are, but we are not what we ought to be. This is the real difference.
The words freedom, to be free, what do they mean?
When you are free from freedom, that is the real freedom.
Free from freedom?
It can be explained like this. In a real state, you are not conscious of freedom or bondage. When we say we are free, we are actually comparing it with the previous state of bondage. So you know, it is a comparative. But in the absolute state, there is neither freedom nor bondage.
What is your opinion about sannyasa?
Sannyas is not necessary.
Why not, Babuji?
Because when they go into the forest, they keep thinking of their families and children and so on. Then why should we go to the forest? We should remain here and discard what is happening.
Do you feel any contact with the Grand Old Master?
There is always contact.
How?
In the way it should be.
This is actually a spiritual contact. My Grandmaster is no more in the physical plane. He passed away into the Mahasamadhi in 1931, but there is still contact between him and my master.
Babuji, what other countries are you planning to visit?
I, along with Parth Sarthi, will go to the Britain and then to America.
Charji, the tape in the recorder is complete. We have to end here, but there are so many more questions to ask. Babuji, a heartfelt thanks for joining us today. It's been a real honor to have you here with us. Dhanyavad.